Look at the finished product. Dumpling, Irish potato, pumpkin with bok choy and chicken.
Be strong.
Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, good night, anywhere you're at in the world. Welcome to another vlog. Today I will be preparing dumplings, Irish potato, pumpkin, and of course chicken breast with bok choy and the good okra. Watch a Jamaican man prepare this delicious meal in a Japanese apartment kitchen. As you can see, my stove is an induction stove. That means it is electric and it only has 2 burners. As you can see, power and the different gauge. You can see my chicken breast that I have cut up ahead of time in cubes. Here is my cabbage, and of course 5 in the hard way. This is going to work the magic because some seasonings are very difficult to find here in Japan, so you have to actually improvise, and that is what I have been doing. And trust me, my meals are so delicious. So delicious. Look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna have some okra, as I said earlier, and the cabbage. And whoa, I'm telling you, just look and see what is going to happen next. Look at the outcome. It will be so appealing and of course very delicious. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Jamaican man in a Japanese apartment kitchen preparing bok choy with okra and chicken breast. Look at that. As I said earlier, the space is very small, so you have to know how to improvise to make your cooking space as comfortable as possible. Like that. And the stove that I'm using is an induction stove with very small burners. So you have to have the right pots, the pots that they use in Japan for these kind of stove. They call them IH pots. Therefore, these pots actually eat very quickly and easily. If you use any other pot, it's going to be trouble. Even when you think that a meal is cooked, it is not cooked. Look at that. Yummy. Jamaican man in a Japanese apartment preparing meal. Look at the finished product. Dumpling, Irish potato, pumpkin with bok choy and chicken breast with a mixture of okra, carrot and other veggies. Just cooked by a Jamaican man in a Japanese apartment. Isn't it looking very appealing? And I know it will definitely fill my tummy because it is so tasty. So tasty. And how do I know that? I've tried it several times while I was cooking. I have tasted it several times while I was cooking. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. And as I always ask you, go and visit our business website at jamcaribhealthyglue.com.